heavy snowstorm hit Turkey Bitlis region and its district since yesterday and continued throughout the night. In the video footage uploaded by the resident, it can be seen that the entire area in Bitlis has turned white, covered with thick snow. In the city where the snow is above 15 centimeters thick, ice formed on the roads and stalactites on the roof of buildings. Residents try to clean the ice in their own way so that the ice does not damage the roof of their houses. In Van and Bitlis, 163 settlements were also affected due to bad weather conditions. According to the statement issued by Metropolitan Municipality of Van, the heavy snow and blizzards that took effect since yesterday caused transition disruptions. Related parties reported that today's weather and tomorrow will be very cloudy and there will be a decrease in air temperature of 4 to 8 degrees. In his statement, he asked residents to prepare for strong snowstorm in the morning and evening.